Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image using my 3 favourite tools. Once removed, you can then replace the background with another photo, a plain colour or even a video. There are advantages to using all 3 of these tools depending on your needs. So the first one is 100% free and you don't have to create an account to use it. The second one is my all-time favourite, and you'll probably guess which one it is. And the third tool is a paid tool, but it does so much more than just remove the background of an image. So if you're ready, let's make a start. Now this is the tool that I used before any other. It's so simple and straightforward to use, it's 100% free and you don't need to create an account to use it. So if you're looking for a quick fix, this is what you want. So type this URL into your browsers. From there, click on this button to upload your image or photo from your local device, such as your laptop, or just drag and drop your file into this space right here. I want to remove the background from this particular image. So I'm just going to drag and drop it into this space. And it takes just seconds to remove the background. If the background hasn't been completely removed, just click on the Edit button. Go to the Erase Restore tab. Click on Erase. Choose the size of your brush. And use your cursor to erase the bits that got left behind. If you make a mistake and you erase too much, just use the Restore button. If you want to customize the background before downloading your image, click on the Background tab. Choose from a selection of photographs here. Or click on the Color tab to replace the background with another color. Once you're done, just click on Download to download your completed image. And you've probably guessed it, the next tool for me is Canva. To use the Canva background eraser, you will need to have Canva Pro. If you're not already subscribed to a Pro account, you can treat yourself to a test drive for an exclusive 45 days using my Canva Certified Creative link, which I will leave in the description below. If you're not using a photograph from Canva's entire library of photos, of course you can upload your own by going to the sidebar on the left-hand side, click on Uploads. To upload an image from your laptop, click on the purple Upload Media button. Otherwise, click on the 3 little dots to the right-hand side of the button to upload an image from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, or Dropbox. Once uploaded, you'll find your images under the Image tab. To add an image to your template, all you need to do is click on it once. I've already uploaded my image here, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove the background. To do that, I'm going to select it once, go to the top left-hand corner of my Canva toolbar, click on Edit Image, and here you can find all of Canva's fabulous photo editing tools. Find the background removal tool, click on it, and wait for the magic to happen. In case any little bits and pieces get left behind, you can use the Eraser tool, just like you did in Remove Background. Use the slider bar to adjust the size of your brush and go ahead and remove any bits that got left behind. Or in some instances, a little bit more was removed than you wanted, so click on the Restore button and do exactly the same. Brush that button over your image. Once you're happy, click on Done to confirm your changes and then click on Apply. You can now go ahead and change the background colour by going to the Background tab in the left-hand side toolbar, choosing a solid background, selecting a different image or pattern, a gradient, an abstract pattern, whatever you want, or you can even change the background for a video. For those of you who enjoy using Canva's app, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do exactly the same, remove the background of an image using the Android version. So please be sure to check out my brand new YouTube short. The final tool I wanted to share with you today is called Snagit, and it's made by TechSmith. is one of my favourite tools since Snagit can do so much more than remove an image background. In fact, it's more of a complete video and photo editing tool. There's a free 15-day trial available, so if you're interested, click this link here to take Snagit for a test drive. Snagit is super useful if you're working on a document or a presentation, for example, like this one here, and you want to instantly remove the background of an image. Once you've downloaded Snagit, you'll find a little tiny S icon in the menu bar. Click on it once to open up the editing tools. To remove the background of an image, click on the Image tab. For now, make sure that the selection is set on Region, the effects are set on None, and select where you want to share your completed image. So for me, I'm going to select Dropbox. You'll want to preview your image in the editor, so make sure this button is toggled on. Once that's done, go ahead and click on the big Capture button. Use your cursor to select the whole of your image you want to edit. And this will bring up the Snagit image editor. At the top, you'll find a menu of really handy tools and shortcuts. To remove the background of an image, click on the Magic Wand button. Over on the right-hand side, make sure the Transparent button is turned on. And now with your Magic Wand cursor, click on the background you want to remove until you see this moving dashed line around the outside of your image. Now all you need to do is click on Delete on your keyboard. And that has completely removed the background from your image. You can now either download this image with a transparent background, or you can go ahead and edit the image using Snagit's fantastic image editing tools. So I'm going to change the background colour for another colour by clicking on the Fill tool, which looks like a little bucket icon. On the right hand side, select the colour you want as the new background. Hover your cursor, which turns into a little bucket, over the background and click on the background. You may find that some of the background doesn't automatically change, so use your bucket icon, hover it over the transparent bits and click with your cursor. All I need to do now is download my completed image. Back in my presentation, I'm going to get rid of this slide and insert the new one instead. And that's it. Out of interest, which of those three tools did you like the look of most? And what will you be using the background removal tool for? Let me know in the comments box below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do give it a thumbs up to support my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you love Canva as much as I do, you might be interested in checking out the rest of my Canva videos in this playlist. And please do check out my latest Canva tutorial, which showed you how to make incredibly professional videos in Canva's new video editor. You will find the link right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.